Hey Ash,
Yeah?
is it true you almost had a TV show?
Who told you that?
I don't know, word gets around.
Yeah, we did.
Do you have any footage from it?
Yeah, we actually shot a pilot episode.
Can I see it?
Yeah, sure. Let's go. I'm a little nervous. No one's seen this. Be kind. Here we go. I'm Ashley Kiley, a general contractor, designer, and owner of Portland's most innovative one-stop shop home design studio. In this city, homebuyers fall head over heels for properties with character and unique charm. As a general contractor, I learned a ton from my dad, but the tables have turned, and now he works for me.
Is there a towel around?
Get out. Together, we're helping the homeowners of Portland rekindle the spark. Oh my gosh! And fall back in love with their homes all over again.
What's up?
I'm looking for Dave Van Amberg, the star project manager of Ashley Kiley Living.
Ashley Kiley Living, this is Dave. Can I help you?
Good morning.
Morning.
How is it looking?
Cabinets look great.
Cool. So can you pull up the QR code for the cabinet makers and just double check and walk it through with me? The QR code is something that I came up with to streamline our process. It's a one-stop shop for our trade partners to bring up the spec sheets that they might need for the project.
Ah, crap. We're quite different. She's pretty tech savvy and I am not tech savvy at all.
I don't understand how all of our subs can get this pulled up in a snap and you struggle every time.
Don't back talk your dad. So these dims say 38 and a quarter from the floor. Does that sound right to you?
That sounds right.
Okay. It's not fun getting in trouble. I'm usually in trouble.
Obviously, this is a pretty tight space, and she has two girls. I need some ideas. Do you have any thoughts on how we can add any additional storage for makeup or jewelry? So growing up, there was always this joke with my mom and I that anything we wanted, it wasn't a question, reach for the stars, my dad would make it happen. So this is where I need you to wave your
Magic wand.
Jing! Dad, I want a homemade soccer goal. And he was like, I don't know how to do that. Magic wand, come on, make it appear out of thin air. Then he would go into a shop, he would tinker, and then he would magically appear with this homemade soccer goal. So it's kind of this running joke slash.
I spoiled him.
He did, that's true. Dad,
Oh, this is nice.
get out.
Is there a towel around?
Okay, no, now you can look, now you can look.
Oh my gosh! And this is not the same space.
Your
This
tub.
view right here is just unreal.
Bye. The relationship people have with their homes is understandably very personal. It's a personal space. It's where they live their life, and helping clients fall back in love with their space is really rewarding.
I guess I'm getting the drill.
Dad,